Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zeus Tech. Hello everyone! Today in this video, we're going to be learning about if-in, an extension to if loop. Now before we begin, if you haven't watched my old Python tutorial videos, I highly recommend doing so, as I'll be referencing back to those videos, and if you don't have any prior knowledge in Python and you're watching this video, you won't be able to understand that much. So I recommend watching those videos before watching this. And also, if you like this video, if you like the content I make and like this video, please leave it a like and subscribe, comment down below how it was, and turn the post notifications to get notified whenever I release a new video. And with that said, let's begin. So, let's learn what if-in is. And let's do something. Let's make a variable. And let's have hello, hi, bello, and salut. A bunch of different ways to say hi or hello, like who knows. And now, let's do it. If and hello in LST, print hello is in LST. Else, print hello isn't in LST. And yep. So, what the logic of this is, it's pretty simple actually. It's if hello, like the string hello, is in LST. So like if one of these values is hello, then print hello is in LST. But if it isn't, print hello isn't in LST. Pretty simple. So we run this, and it says hello is in LST. So this is a simple example about what if-in is, and it's pretty simple if I'm being honest. And so you can do this with many things actually, and you can do it with names as well. So this is something. Let's make a practical example, a real world example, because I find that that's how I'm able to understand it better. Say that we have a field trip, and we have a bunch of people going on the field trip, like Josh, Bob, Lucy. My bad, I didn't add quotations. Lucy, Sally, and Richard. Who knows? I don't know. Type down random names on the list, guys, in the comments below. Type out random names for lists. And this is the field trip list. And this is a field trip list. And now, let's ask the user. A equals input. Let's make it ask. Ask equals input. Who do you want to check is in the field trip? And then just do ask. Ask in trip. And I highly recommend that copy this down as I'm going on as well, and then I'll explain it. In the field trip. Okay. So I just wrote down a bunch of stuff, which may be kind of confusing. So let me explain. So we have a field trip list, and I'm going to ask the user, who do you want to check is in the field trip list? And if ask, if what they put in is in the field trip list, then we're going to write down ask is in the field trip. And if it isn't, print ask isn't in the field trip. I will. So now let's run. See if I'm in the field trip. I am in the field trip. And let's have a run Randy. Randy isn't in the field trip. So this is an example about what if-in is. And I recommend popping this down and making your own programs to test around with it. So if you like this video, please subscribe, as I'm trying to get to 100 subs by the end of the month. And with that said, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye!